Have you ever seen those videos claiming that data analysts earn great salaries, work remotely, and only need a laptop? It sounds almost too good to be true. But what do data analysts actually do all day? Do they spend 8 hours writing code? Are they constantly solving complicated math problems? Or are they mostly making charts in Excel? I wanted to find out, so I looked at real job descriptions, interviews, and professionals sharing their daily work. Here is what a typical day really looks like. And believe it or not, most data analysts spend less time building fancy dashboards than most people think. Who is a data analyst? Think of a company as a giant machine that creates information every second, every sale, every customer. Every employee, every website visitor creates data, but raw data isn't useful by itself. Companies need someone to turn that information into answers. That is where a data analyst comes in. Their job is to answer business questions using data. Questions like, why are sales dropping? Which products sell the most? Which marketing campaign is working? Why are customers leaving? Instead of guessing, they let the numbers tell the story. Morning. A typical day usually starts by checking emails and messages. Team members may have questions. Managers may request reports. Clients may ask for updated numbers. Many analysts also begin by opening dashboards to make sure yesterday's data has been updated correctly. If something looks unusual, maybe sales suddenly drop to zero, they investigate before anyone else notices. Meetings. Surprisingly, data analysts spend a lot of time talking to people. They meet with marketing teams, finance, sales, product managers, executives. Because before analyzing anything, they first need to understand the business problem. The hardest part usually isn't working with data. It is understanding the question. Working with data, say they know the problem. They start collecting data. Sometimes the data comes from Excel, sometimes from SQL databases, sometimes from cloud systems. But the data is rarely clean. Missing values, duplicate records, incorrect dates, empty fields. Cleaning the data often takes more time than analyzing it. SQL. One of the most common tools analysts use is SQL. Think of SQL like asking questions to a massive database. Instead of scrolling through millions of rows, SQL lets analysts instantly find exactly what they need. For example, show me all sales made last month. Or, which customers spent more than $1,000. That is why SQL is considered one of the most important skills for data analysts. Excel. Despite all the modern tools available today, Excel remains one of the most widely used applications in business. Analysts use Excel to clean data, build reports, create charts, and quickly explore information before moving into more advanced tools. Dashboards. After cleaning and analyzing the data, analysts create dashboards. These dashboards help managers understand what is happening inside the business without reading thousands of rows of numbers. Instead, they can immediately see sales, profits, customer trends, and performance through simple charts and graphs. Presenting results. Here is something many beginners don't expect. Data analysts don't just work with computers. They also present their findings. They explain what happened, why it happened, and what actions the company should take. Communication is just as important as technical skills. Skills needed. If you are wondering what skills companies usually look for, here are the most common ones. Excel, Power BI or Tableau, basic statistics. Problem-solving, communication, busyness thinking. You don't need to master all of them on day one. Most analysts build these skills gradually. Can AI replace data analysts? AI can certainly speed up many tasks. It can help write SQL queries, summarize data sets, and generate charts. But companies still need people who understand the business, ask the right questions, verify results, and communicate insights. Rather than replacing analysts entirely, AI is increasingly becoming a tool that helps them work more efficiently. So, what does a data analyst actually do? They collect data, clean it, analyze it, build dashboards, and most importantly, help companies make smarter decisions. If you are considering becoming a data analyst, hopefully this gives you a clearer picture of what the job really involves. In the next video, we'll answer one of the biggest questions beginners ask. Can anyone become a data analyst even without a degree or coding experience? If that sounds interesting, subscribe and join me as we explore the world of data analytics, one topic at a time.